Today, we'd like to share a digital printing story about Bob, manager of the in-plant print shop at a large wealth management firm, Bill & Buck Banking. It seemed each day brought a new set of distractions for Bob, distractions that got in the way of real business. All Bob really wanted was the freedom to focus on what mattered most to him, reducing his costs. Although Bob had already confirmed his budget, he needed to reduce his costs even further while continuing to increase his shop's value within the company. But how? That's where Xerox came in, a true partner dedicated to helping Bob every step of the way. The first step was assessing his current costs and capabilities, which meant working closely with a Xerox representative to complete a gap assessment and identify better ways to utilize Bob's resources. Next, they walked through the Profit Quick job estimation tool to determine the most cost-effective ways to produce each application, and reviewed the Guide to Achieving Strategic Relevance to show specific ways the print shop could add real value and become a star at Bill & Buck Banking. Through the assessment, it was determined that the print shop would benefit from Free Flow Process Manager. Next up, implementation. The award-winning Xerox service team sprang into action, working with expert analysts to complete installation and ensure that technology and software integrated seamlessly within the existing workflow. A professional trainer quickly got Bob's operators up to speed and made sure that they were using the new solutions to effectively reduce costs. With everything in place, Bob and the Bill & Buck Banking print shop were ready to start producing. Almost instantly, the end-to-end, hands-free automation enabled by Process Manager had Bob saving valuable time, labor, and, more importantly, money. With his new, highly automated, cost-cutting solution in full swing, it was time for Bob to spread the word within the company, which meant working with a Xerox professional to use the right profit accelerator tools and resources to develop new business. Using templates and guides from the Profit Accelerator in-plant kit, Bob held a successful open house event and was able to show his colleagues firsthand all the innovative ways he could help each of their departments. He also used the Guide to Strategic Relevance and the Guide to Operational Excellence to continuously improve and be more efficient. Sounds like the story of Bob and Bill & Buck Banking is coming to an end. But wait, there's more. Xerox also helped him optimize his printing operation by sitting down with him to determine success against initial targets. Bob also received positive feedback from his colleagues on his print shop's new capabilities. With costs at an all-time low and the company's full confidence behind him, Bob realized that this was the perfect time to find new ways to provide even more value with his print shop. And he knew that no matter which direction he wanted to go, Xerox would be right there to help him through the whole process again. Well, that about does it for this chapter in the story of Bob at Bill & Buck Banking. With Xerox by his side, he was able to focus on what mattered most to him, reducing costs. And Xerox can do the same for you. Continue the conversation at the Digital Hotspot blog. With Xerox, you're ready for real business.